Hello, I am here to provide another Perform Your Art tutorial. This is for my administrators regarding the mid-year check-in process with teachers. So there's two parts to this. Part one is launching a mid-year review, and then part two is actually conducting the review. So we're going to start here with part one. So right now, for the purposes of this tutorial, I have myself set up as Jeff Chong's manager. So he's over here under my direct reports. So I'm going to launch a mid-year review cycle with Jeff by clicking on him under my direct reports. If you want, you can also go to search employee and find the teacher that you're looking for here. But I'm going to go ahead and click Jeff. This brings me to his dashboard. I'm going to go to reviews, and then there is a create review button. So I'm going to go ahead and hit this button, and then educator 2, the mid-year check-in, I'm going to select this and go ahead and hit create review. Yep, I'm reviewing Jeff. Hit next. So you can see we have two forms here. So we have the mid-year check-in reflection. So this is the information that Jeff is going to provide. And then we have the mid-year conference, which is, this is after we evaluate the information that Jeff provided us, we are going to give him feedback here with this form, and we're both going to sign off on it. So I'm going to go ahead and hit start review. All right, so that now has been initiated, and the second part of this tutorial, we're going to talk about what to do with these forms. Okay, so now we have launched the mid-year process with Jeff. I can see here on my dashboard I now have two forms waiting for me. So this bottom one first is the mid-year check-in reflection. So this is for Jeff to fill out, which it looks like he has, and it looks like our action that we need is to sign it. So we're going to hop into this form here. And this is where Jeff has provided his information. So he just wrote test here in these three sections, but our teachers will actually fill this out with the evidence that they're providing on how they're doing at the mid-year point. So we're going to review all the information, and then we're going to go ahead and sign off on it. So we'll click sign off now. If you have any comments, you can put it here in this box. I don't, so I'm just going to hit sign off. And that is all set. So now I'm going to hit Go Rams in the top left. And you can see that form is gone. So now that leaves me with the mid-year conference educator form that is up to us to fill out. So this is where we are going to give our feedback to the teachers. So we're going to click on this, and you see we have a box here, and this is the information that we're going to send back to teachers. So I have a type my narrative here. This is where you're going to put your narrative. Now, let's say you wanted to reference some of the information that your teacher had put on the form that we just signed off on. The way that we're going to do that is go over here to Options, and then hit Save and Launch Performance Dual View. So now this opens up a second window here, a second box. So over here on the left is the form that we're working on with our narrative, and over here on the right is Jeff's stuff. So if we want to check out what Jeff has done, we're going to go ahead and click his name. All right, so we're going to go over here to the mid-year check-in that's been completed, and we're going to click View on the mid-year check-in form. And there we go. So now we have the information that he's provided us over here on the right, while we type in our narrative over here on the left. So once we've typed in our narrative, we're going to go ahead and hit submit. And then we are going to sign off on this, and Jeff is going to sign off on it. So we'll go ahead and hit sign off now. And then once Jeff signs off on it as well, that will complete the mid-year process for this teacher.